Hey there, beautiful souls. Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we break down beauty products with honesty, science, and a little bit of flair. Today, we're exploring a multitasking skincare meets makeup product, the Tarte BB Blur Tinted Moisturizer with Broad Spectrum SPF 30. It's designed as a lightweight, all-in-one solution that promises a sheer tint, sun protection, and a matte finish. Perfect for anyone looking to simplify their routine without sacrificing coverage or care. So let's start with the basics. This tinted moisturizer comes in a liquid form, and the shade I'm reviewing is Fair Light, ideal for fair to light skin tones with balanced warm and cool undertones. It's marketed as suitable for all skin types and claims to leave a matte finish. According to Tarte, you can wear it alone for a natural tint, layer it under foundation for more coverage, or even just use a dab to blend with your fingertips for a subtle, polished look. The instructions suggest dispensing a small amount onto the back of your hand and then blending gently with a brush or your fingers. When I first incorporated it into my routine, I appreciated how lightweight it felt. The texture is silky but not greasy, which made it easy to layer under my usual foundation without feeling heavy. I also tested it in different lighting and throughout a typical day to see how it held up. One thing I noticed immediately is that it really does smooth the skin's appearance. Those tiny pores and fine lines seem subtly softened. The matte finish is natural, not flat, which I think is a win for a product that's supposed to feel effortless. It's not without minor drawbacks, though. The coverage is definitely on the sheer side, so if you're looking to fully cover discoloration or blemishes, you might need a concealer or foundation on top. Also, while the SPF 30 is a nice inclusion, it's still essential to apply additional sun protection if you're spending extended time outdoors. On the plus side, I love the blendability and the soft focus effect it gives. The matte finish is versatile for both oily and combination skin, and the product dispenses easily without excess waste. Packaging is simple and functional, and the tube is sturdy enough to travel with. Value-wise, Tarte positions this in the mid-range price point. Considering the multifunctionality, tint, SPF, and subtle blurring effect, I think it offers solid value for someone seeking a streamlined routine. If you're comparing it to other BB or tinted moisturizers, I'd say it holds up well against brands like Bare Minerals or Laura Mercier, though those might have slightly different finishes or skin feel. Overall, the build quality, formula, and performance make this a reliable everyday option. If you're a minimalist who appreciates skincare benefits combined with light coverage, this could be a really good fit. If this review is helping you decide, go ahead and like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support really helps me keep making honest reviews like this. To wrap it up, the Tarte BB Blur Tinted Moisturizer is lightweight, easy to use, and ideal for low-maintenance beauty routines. It softens the look of skin while offering a natural matte finish and SPF protection. If you're looking for a subtle, everyday coverage solution, this one is definitely worth trying. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.